refuse to stand by. So as a part of the ongoing humanitarian efforts of Al-Khidmat USA in partnership with the Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, we're working hard actively on the ground today on Monday, 28th of July, 2025, to distribute clean drinking water to those who need it most in the north of Gaza, specifically at Al-Karama area. Every drop carries hope, and every act of generosity and kindness makes a real difference on the ground, as you can see. So thanks for your support, which always matters.
شكرا لمؤسسة باكستان على المية، جيبوا لنا دائما مية.